Oh boy, that sure was a good workout.
It really was.
I fix you though.
Dude, I wish that was this cold.
Here, let me see it. That's not cold at all. Man, there has to be a way to keep our drinks cold.
But there is. Introducing the Pocket Fridge. The fridge that can fit in your backpack. See, now that we saw the problems of the people in the beginning of this commercial, now let's take a look at the executives.
Hey, my name is Michael Summers, and I'm your CFO. These water bottles, you don't need these anymore. See the cooler? You don't need those either. Just get a pocket fridge.
I'm Kane Shannon, the COO of Solar Frost. We're gonna knock the competition right out of the market.
Hi, my name is Zachary Branson. The competition? We're gonna throw it away. Pocket fridge.
Hi, I'm Armando Sanchez, the owner, the CEO of Solar Frost. See, now the world is great. Families are great. You got your sodas, you got your cups, you got your bottles. See, coolers are nothing. Pocket fridge is a guy's best friend.
Hey you! Want to see a pocket fridge? There you are. This is the revolutionary product of our generation. How about you come check out our satisfied customers while you're at it? Wow! That's cold!
The Pocket Fridge is a great product, but did you know it's also powered by the sun?
Dude, that's crazy!
We guarantee that the Pocket Fridge will make your drinks a whole lot colder.
The pocket fridge is a mini fridge. Scratch that. It's an even minier fridge. It's the miniest fridge you've ever minied. It's portable. You can take it anywhere. Anywhere.
Thank you for taking the time to view this commercial by Solar Frost. We hope to see you buying online and in the future looking for the Pocket Fridge in retail stores. Thank you for taking the time. This is Solar Frost introducing the Pocket Fridge.